Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a close grip dumbbell chest press. So let's start off with the bench at about a 45-degree incline. Grab our dumbbells, lean back, and now let's pinch our shoulder blades together in the back so we have a good secure base for our shoulders. Start with the dumbbells up, touch them together. Now from here, lower them down to your chest and press on the way up. And now what we want to be doing is squeeze here the whole time. So this whole time I'm squeezing my hands together. Now there's a quick tutorial on how to do the dumbbell close grip press. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share, or click one of the videos here or here for the next in the series. Close grip dumbbell press, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.